What is raw hair? Raw hair and temple hair are the same, and temple hair is single donor raw virgin hair that is sourced from Indian temples. Single donor means a one bundle have only one donor, like this. This hair is collected from one donor only. You can see this, and we get the hair like this from the temple, and we do the heckling process. And after the heckling process, this hair will look like this. The cuticle of this hair are aligned in the same direction. Head at the head side and tail will be the tail side. So the cuticle will not mix and hair will not tangle. You can color it up to 613 or 60. It does not have any kind of chemical exposure or coatings. It also doesn't have any kind of dye or henna over it. So that's why it becomes virgin untouched hair. We just use shampoo and conditioner to sanitize this hair. And normally raw hair is having three types of textures that called natural textures. This texture is a straight, natural straight, and having the slight wave, because Indian women do not have the bone straight like Chinese and Vietnamese hair that is thick, and it's not easy to make every hairstyle on thick hair. That's why Indian hair are very popular. This is a natural wave. You can see the slight difference between natural straight and the natural wavy. And third texture is curly. This is natural curly, and we call this premium curly, and the curl will remain the same because this is the natural curls.